paper. And apart from that, another thing that I also wanted to highlight for CSAT is that we tend to make the mistake of solving very complex topics and leaving very basic topics. For instance, even if you see the last year paper, yes, the questions were difficult. The probability, permutations and combinations questions were lengthy, time consuming, etc. But there were some easy questions also. There were easy questions that can be solved through basic logical skills. For instance, there were 3 questions that were like statement based, P, Q and R. They gave some sort of option, some kind of statements, and they asked us to evaluate the correctness of the statements that were given. So please don't take these logical kind of questions lightly, because these are what that ultimately gives you marks in the examination hall. How much ever you practice the complex questions and complex areas, unless you are too comfortable with them, in exam like environment it is very difficult for you to apply those concepts and solve the problem in less than a minute or 1.5 minutes. So what is important is that see the questions and see, you have to develop that knack of identifying questions that can be solved through basic logical skills. Like for instance, I said the statement based questions like PQR. There were 3 questions like that last year. So these questions have to be seen, and then you can kind of